By the end of this video, you'll never look at faceless YouTube channels the same way again. Imagine this, a channel with no face, no voice, yet it irresistibly draws millions of captivated viewers. How does such a phenomenon come to be? Welcome to a realm where the allure of mystery merges seamlessly with raw emotion, and an insightful guide on how you, yes, you, can tap into this extraordinary power to launch a truly unforgettable faceless YouTube channel. Picture stepping into a dimly lit room, the soft glow of ambient lights dancing on the walls, sparking a deep, innate curiosity. This is the inviting atmosphere that a successful faceless channel projects, captivating viewers with the mystique of the unknown. Yet, there's more beneath the surface, more than what initially meets the eye. Let's dive into a compelling story about Alex, an enterprising YouTuber with a quest to create a channel that would stand out amidst the ocean of existing content. Alex, both tenacious and perceptive, engaged in relentless experimentation, determined to uncover the magnetic appeal that draws people to faceless channels. What he discovered was truly astonishing. It wasn't the visuals that kept viewers hooked, but the unseen, powerful emotional threads that tugged at their heartstrings. Alex realized that the secret weapon for a faceless channel lies in its ability to weave powerful, emotional storytelling. Consequently, Alex embarked on a journey to infuse every video with layers of emotion, joy, nostalgia, curiosity, and more. He crafted narratives that resonated with his audience on an incredibly personal level. This emotional bond was transformative, fascinating viewers and turning them into dedicated subscribers. But you might wonder, how does one effectively channel emotion in this way? The answer lies in the profound understanding of your audience's deepest desires and fears. Picture your average viewer. Not only are they seeking entertainment, but they're also yearning for connection and understanding. By developing narratives that tap into these universal emotions, like the joy of achieving long-sought success, or the nostalgia of revisiting cherished childhood dreams, or the thrill of unraveling a complex mystery, you create an invisible bridge between the screen and your viewers. It's this emotional bond that lasts and ensures your channel's continued growth. So, what's the magical formula, you ponder? Even without a face, your channel should become a sanctuary, a place where people feel seen and acknowledged, a space where they belong to something larger. Venture into advanced storytelling techniques such as conflict, resolution, and revelation, each designed to elicit a wide range of emotions in your audience. Also, remember that the art of storytelling isn't just about words. It's about creating visual harmony with your narrative, a choreography of light and shadow. Use visuals that mirror the tone of your stories. Dark shadows to suggest mystery, soft pastel colors to invoke nostalgia, bright animations to fuel excitement. Inspired by this realization, Alex turned to the world of books, cinematic masterpieces, and eloquent speakers, endeavoring to master the distinguished art of emotional storytelling. He discovered that it wasn't about crafting complex, intricate plots, but about discovering simplicity and relatability. It was about seeing life through the eyes of his audience, stepping into their shoes and creating stories that reflected their own journeys, victories, and dreams. And then, like magic, Alex's channel began to flourish. Subscriber counts surged, and engagement soared as viewers eagerly left comments, sharing how particular stories reminded them of their own childhoods or provided much-needed solace during trying times. The key lay in identifying the emotional pulse of his channel and nurturing it meticulously. Remember, like every grand tale, this is a journey, an evolving narrative. What is the glue that holds your channel together, you might ask? Authenticity. Never underestimate the immense power of truth and transparency. Even without a face, authenticity is palpable, and viewers can sense it. Share your unique journey, your hurdles, and more importantly, the invaluable lessons learned along the way. Emotion is a two-way street. It invites vulnerability and honesty. Over time, Alex found that the greatest rewards emerged from venturing beyond his comfort zone and wholeheartedly embracing his channel's emotional essence. Emotion, acting like a magnet, drew viewers from far and wide, each feeling an unspoken connection to the stories shared. Therefore, if your dream is to transform your Faceless YouTube channel into a resounding success, remember this: it's not about hiding behind the virtual screen, but about extending through it, reaching into the shared tapestry of human emotion. Your channel is an epic tale in the making, and you are its masterful storyteller. Now, imagine what happens when you fuse this emotional connectivity with groundbreaking content. The next episode eagerly awaits, ready to explore the potent synergy between creativity and emotion, a combination that has the potential to elevate your channel to unparalleled heights. And so, dear content creator, here is your clarion call, your invitation to embark on this emotionally magnetic adventure with Faceless YouTube channels. The journey has just begun, with endless possibilities on the horizon.